2023 GasGas TXT Trial lineup first look. The TXT Racing and Premium TXT GP models. The GasGas TXT Trial's bike lineup is getting its first significant makeover since the marque was acquired by Pierer Mobility Group, which owns KTM AG, the parent company of KTM, Husqvarna, and WP. While some might have been anticipating a complete redesign with EFI, WP suspension, and a Pankl transmission features we see in the Austrian-built off-road motorcycles, none of those features are present in the new 2023 GasGas TXT Trial lineup. Although the GasGas ENDURO bikes became Austrian variants after the acquisition, KTM AG is letting GasGas Trials bikes be GasGas Trials bikes for the time being, and production continues in Terrassa, Spain. For 2023, the TXT Racing and Premium TXT GP models come with 250 and 300 motors, and there are enough updates to give us plenty to talk about. Changes apply to all four models, unless otherwise noted. There's a new 13.2-pound frame with aluminum hangers. The red powder-coated frame is chromoly, with the tube and cast sections. The steering head is connected to the motor and a new larger skid plate via aluminum hangers on each side of the frame. The hangers are bare aluminum on the racing models and anodized black for the GP editions. The TXT Racing motorcycles get a shorter travel tech fork. Suspension travel in the front has been reduced on the TXT Racing to TXT GP spec. Ergonomics have been updated. The TXT Racing Trials bikes get new foot pegs that are moved inboard, while the TXT GP gets the Niken handlebar and Rentel grips previously used by the TXT Racing models. The TXT GP also has a new bar pad pattern after the GasGas factory racing bikes. There's a new cylinder head for the two-stroke motors. The design features interchangeable inserts for modifying the power to taste and conditions. For increased durability, the TXT Racing motors get a more robust clutch cover. The kickstart has been redesigned to make starting the TXTs easier. The exhaust system is redesigned. The exhaust and the muffler are new for 2023, with a more durable end cap part of the package. An incredibly flexible plastic is now used for the one-piece rear fender/seat and has molded in graphics. The rear fender is now one long piece that extends nearly to the cap of the 2.5-quart fuel tank. The 2023 GasGas TXT GP models have a few upgrades compared to the racing editions. The GP models get a fully adjustable Tech TJ3 shock, black anodized CNC machined aluminum triple clamps, Kashima coating on the fork tubes, black anodized CNC machined aluminum hubs, aluminum spoke nipples, and FAM approved rear NG wave disc, various anodized bits, and factory graphics. The GP editions run $1,000 more than their racing equivalents. Europe gets two models that won't be available in the United States. You won't be seeing the 2023 GasGas TXT Racing 280 or TXT Racing 125 on American dealers' showroom floors. We have the prices for the 2023 GasGas TXT Trail lineup in the specs. You can pay as little as $8,399 for the 2023 GasGas TXT Racing 250, or as much as $9,699 for the 2023 GasGas TXT GP 300. You can have any color you want, as long as it's red.